City. So we are bound for Osamis tonight for our bikepacking trip in Osamis going to Antipolo. So it's inspired by the Japanese Rinko bag para dili mi paninglan. We hope so nga dili mi paninglan. So we'll see later kung paninglan ba gyud mi for the fare sa bike na nakaingani or not. Okay.
Ano kay Terminal 6? Okay ra ba? Okay ra? Ugat ang gamit. Kasutan lang ba? Alright. So this is it. Medyo kabado. Ayos.
It was a success.
Saan kayo bus?
Wala, oo. Kamo di ay.
Inyo ay asan yung bitang-tang ng video ha? Ito. Nako eh. Ay pagsunod. Patulog sa bike. Mindanao na dahil ko na daw. Bukid nun? Ay bukid nun, Bulambugan.
Yep. Welcome to Osamis. Welcome to Osamis. Mga dagway eh. Dagway sa mga porter. So it's a success.
Bike porter.
We got our bikes for free.
This is how we do it, baby. So, alright, baby. Our good design just need some fine tuning. So far, another option is doing like this, bike porter, or simply you can have your bag and carry it and swing it like this. Depends. Welcome to Tommy Sport. Right there. Right here, Kaday. That's how she do it, baby. Renko. Alright. Isoday. This is how we do it, baby. Renko bag.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ring something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Alright, good morning. Welcome to Summit City. This is the start of our adventure. Alright. Grouping. Alright. Loaded na ang map? Wala pa.
Wala pa, may nagbakas na lang.
Ay, nagkakaon. Nagkakaon sa daw. Right. Start of the adventure here in Osami City. But first thing, before we ride, look for karinderya for breakfast. Alright, City, Osamis. Alright. Breakfast for champion. Here we go. Nakaisda eh.
Pino lang.
Hilaw. Wala yung sabaw. Okay, sabaw isda.
Oh, pino na isda, sir na. Ano siya? Pino na isda.
Sa isda nito eh.
Kuan. Lupin.
Okay, ganun.
Yan kani nila tambaka.
Ano isda lang din.
Isda lang.
Alright. Alright. That's Mount Malindang. Up there, it's cloudy. Behind that, we'll be facing the mountain.
I'm the top for the top. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and unite. That's why all my records pay. Oh, it's been a long haul road. Gotta go home. Yeah.
Alright. First glance of Mount Malindang mountain range. That's it. So we're gonna traverse behind this mountain where we will be reaching about 1,800 meters and try to visit Lake Duminagat, which is located behind this mountain. This is Tangkil Bay. On the opposite side, this is Kalambugan, Danau del Norte, and this one is beside the Kami City. The Tangkil Bay Bridge is probably on the right side. We can have a glance in a little while. Meanwhile, we're riding this. There's the Tangkil Bay Bridge at a distance. Evening, Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental. Yeah, that's it. So, June 12 is upcoming. That's Philippine Independence Day. We might be carrying some flags here. Probably when we reach Dumaguete. Okay. Meanwhile, we're traversing this highway, passing to Tangub City and going to
Tag lang ka sa Facebook na
Mau ba?
Kamis kayo mangga ni nanay. Mangga saan yung mangga ni? Manggang Tangub?
Mangga evergreen.
Ha?
Evergreen.
Evergreen. Grabe oh.
Oh, yung mangga.
Tamis pa sa mangga sa Cebu.
Tamis pa lang ko na.
Tamis?
Lami ka Roy?
Ha?
Tagilaw ba? Tamis kayo.
Grabe. Ano na ni? Trail pod. Alright. We're slowly getting closer to the foot of Mount Malindang. That's Mount Malindang Range. We're grinding our way. 10 kilometer per hour. My goodness. One hell of a climb going up there. What a grandeur view of Mount Malindang. Yeah. Mount Malindang, baby. There we go. Ano to? Howler nila, howler. Good thing there's plenty of palcata tree shade along the road. So welcome to Barangay Dulan. Ayan, Dulan, Subida. Subida, Brad.
This is part of the route nga walay pagkaon. Walay karinderya. Hello, Mindanao. Nawong sa ga-assume og naapay lain be? Kumusta man to ang manok ug ang pansit nga tong giagian?
Ako nasa siyang bike, dali siya dismantle kay nakita na ko siya.
Training na ito ay saka kagan.
Naganaan na siya dito. Katong tira ang kon ba tiras. Abot nga na ko tuog na kay siya. Ulay. Muna yung gipangita kanang sakit ba?
Pero sa pansit o manok,
Kanang di mo kaon mo challenge man ning di mo kaon yun. Sako na si Sir Larry. Okay. Wala may nagpack-lunch dito. Sorry guys. Nami sardinas nun. Nami sardinas. Okay, butin. Usara ka mo. Butin. Tawag lingkod ito kay mga on ta. Pagtanaw na ako alas 10 so man. Ako sa'yo pa man. Adto lang ta sa spillway. Dali raw natin no. Frozen na siya. Frozen. Tapos doon na pagkapaway, tagtaas-taas mo.
siopaw for lunch.
Oh, how are you today ka? Horsey, how are you? Horsey, ay may hubag ko. The hardest climb so far. Almost there.
This is our stop for the day. We covered only 56 kilometers with 1,495 elevation gain. Sakit siya at may gani. Nananghid mi sa kapitan and we were allowed to camp here for the night. Gaon sa ngalan aning barangay?
Ini barangay dire? Bagong barangay.
Unsa nga nga munisipyo sakop?
Sa ako pinakawan, Dumbi.
Donbic na ni. Okay. Sige, thank you. So, good evening.
This is our camp for the night. Barangay Bagong Clarin. Bagong Clarin. After grinding whole day from Osami City, we managed to cover only 55 kilometers and 1,400 elevation gain. Good thing na may support crew in check. Thank you. Ang ganda ng dinner namin. We have dinner chicken.
Ay, gamit ani kay akong butang sa sawan.
Iba na. Iba na pag may support crew. Alright, covered court. Alright, breakfast of champion for the hardest day. Everything is here, huh? Today is the hardest. 40 kilometers, 1.5 of climbing. Oh? Good luck.
Good luck.
Mas maayo. Pero pwede ra sagdi.
Balik mo phone. Balik daw mo din.
Siya lang.
Ay, salamat kayo.
Thank you.
Guys, Malindang Range National Park.
Hi.
Start of day 2. Start of the real suffering. Agadi namin ko ano support to. Alright. Day 2 of this Mount Malindang Range bikepacking by Pack Gear. Yesterday we managed to complete about around 55 kilometers of 1-4 elevation gain. So hard so far, very hard. And today much harder. How was so far, wifey?
Yesterday was 55 kilometers for 1,500 meters of elevation.
Today?
Today it's gonna be 2,000 meters of elevation and 90 kilometers.
90?
But yeah, we're thinking of stretching off the Lake Duminagat due to
Peak behind. So we're gonna be tackling that today. Hopefully. Fine. The other boy. Come on. Yeah, pamahaw. Pamahaw.
9%.
Mahaw nagsaka ni.
Bro, mamahaw ninyo. Alright, back to granny mode. This is life here. Mount Malindang High. Granny. Alright, second day is the most difficult one because right now we will be traversing the Malindang mountain range, and this is just around 40 kilometers, but I think the elevation gain is around 2,000 meters, so quite a tough day to ride here. So yeah, that's it. We're heading to the mountain now. This is the second hardest climb of the day, morning. Look at that. The camera cannot justify how steep is this. Look at that. My goodness. This is life here at Mount Malindang mountain range. Good thing this all paved roads. Yawa. Pag yawa mga wala pagani.
Dili ta mo nagtaktik atong nagkuan mo ana porno.
This is supposed to be rewarding after every climb, but unfortunately very close Baptist Seventh-day Adventist. So Saturday it's closed. Bikepackers mo ba? Alright, let's go! Let's get it done, baby! Come on! Final push! Ah, derang tulay! Look at the gradient. This is 2 km plus ascent. Final push going to Lake Duminagat. Dancing through the climb. Come on, baby, let's do this. We are at the final climb of Mount Malindang Range. As you can see, these are the mountain range that covered with clouds, and the climb itself is so punishing and brutal. Look at the gradient and the view behind. But above is punishing. Look at that. My goodness. Maybe 1 km plus or 2. I think zigzagging is the only option, and push. Look at that. Zigzagging.
Naanan mo akong kadito.
Asa? Hindi ka istorya nimo.
Di lalim to rin?
Ha? Ah, na sa ibabaw ta, di lalim.
Di jud. Ganahan di. Gingita pagay ko ani unya. Grabe.
Nindot ra ba dyan? Nindot ang ko ani? Nindot. Hindi na. Sakit sa pero kanang nindot ba nindot. Nakamping ko dito. Sa ka mo ni pila mo magkano? Ha? Kung katong kami si Kuya kada semana nami ka usa. Dali, kay nindot kay view oh. Likod nimo.
Hindi na nilugay, di ba mapawayon? Sige raw ano, 19, 20, 18 na yatis.
Oh, galakaw ra gani ko diri. Naka 10 stories gud ako ang kuno, elevation. Sakto yun. Oh, sakto kaysa mura man dag ka ng pakatulgo na ka ba? Kanang bagod na ka magpaniud ko ba?
Alright. We are here at Barangay Nueva Vista. This is the top of the climb. Here you can buy vegetable, whatever you want, food, reload. So we're gonna have our lunch here. Ito na, strawberry ito?
Reload. Bomba, bam bam.
Meron bro. Alright, final push to Dipolog.
Let's go back again. Katugnaw. Sabak ako para sa.
What can you you say?
Holiday.
Welcome to Pinyan! Welcome to Pinyan! Ano masasabi niyo sa thumbnail? Ano masasabi mo sa thumbnail?
Kanan ni Datong. Bawa ni.
Ano sa na? Presta?
Mabali ba mo eh?
Mabalik mo yata na.
Hindi ko kabaw sa dati.
Bawa to.
Ay, wala na. Bagsak ka sa iyo.
Oo.
Parang ako pinyato. Try, dito na. Alright guys. Dipolog City. Welcome to Dipolog City.
Welcome.
When you are in Dipolog, you should try Jollibee Dipolog. Right there.
May slogan na Dipolog.
Alright, we just arrived at Dipolog, completing the Mount Malindang Range traverse, starting from Dumaguete to, oh no, not Dumaguete, Osamis, starting from Osamis all the way to Don Benedicto, and then all the way here to Dipolog. Yang reward.
Ato try sa GCB ato iba i-reply sa kuha ni.
First